This field of artificial intelligence is exploding at an insane speed. A channel that started just 1 month ago has already gained 14,000 subscribers and reached 1 million views with only 31 videos. And the most interesting part? All of these videos were easily created using AI. However, there's one big problem. If you don't do it the right way, you'll never make money from these videos. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create AI videos that actually generate income. I know, you might have no idea where to start in this field. Let me simplify it for you. Have you ever seen videos about people, nature, and life in extreme conditions? That's exactly the style we can recreate with AI, with the difference that everything is generated by artificial intelligence. For example, life in the deserts, life in the Amazon jungle, life in the heart of the oceans. You could even create a channel covering all of these topics. And if you don't have any ideas yet, don't worry. Later, I'll show you exactly where to start and how to create your first AI video. Now it's time to enter ChatGPT. Just type 20 ideas about the Amazon rainforest, nature, or other amazing and unknown environments around the world. In a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of the best and most creative ideas for you. Now from this list, just choose one idea, whichever one you find most interesting or that you feel will appeal to your audience the most. Now enter in the topic section. At that moment, ChatGPT will start generating the most accurate and powerful prompts based on that topic. Prompts that will help you create videos that not only look realistic and cinematic, but can also generate high views and revenue for you. Now head over to YouWare, where your creativity meets artificial intelligence. YouWare is an amazing modern platform that lets you create AI projects, apps, and websites without writing a single line of code, all with just a few simple clicks. Everything on this platform is designed to be fast and incredibly easy. Just enter your idea, and YouWare will use the power of AI to turn it into a real project. In the end, you can publish it with just one click. Want to build apps like VO3 or create a fully professional website? You can do it all on YouWare. No technical experience required, but it doesn't stop at creating projects. You can even publish your projects on the platform, share them with others, and earn real income. This means any idea you have in your mind can become a source of revenue. All you need to do is unleash your creativity, visit the site, and create your first project. The site link is in the video description. Sign up for free now and start your creative journey with YouWare. The world is waiting for your ideas. So get started and turn your imagination into reality. Now that you've entered YouWare, it's time to explore the amazing features of this platform. Here, there's a dedicated tool for almost every type of AI project, making everything incredibly easy for you. To start, you can use the AI app generator. In this section, you can build advanced AI-powered applications just by giving instructions. No coding experience required. Simply write your idea, and YouWare will take care of all the design, building, and setup for you. If you want more control over the details, head to the visual coding section. Here, the process of creating a project is completely clear and step-by-step from idea, design, code generation, debugging, final deployment. Everything is visual, simple, and easy to understand, even if it's your first project. Now, if you want to add features like comments, polls, or an image gallery, the back-end code section is made just for that. You can implement all these features without writing a single line of code, fast, clean, and fully professional. And finally, one of the most loved features by users, free deployment. With just one click, you can publish your project and instantly get a shareable custom link. In just a few minutes, your project will be ready to be seen by the whole world. And this is just the beginning. There are many other powerful and practical sections in YouWare, each unlocking a world of new possibility. All you need to do is log in now and explore the different sections. You'll see how with just a few clicks, you can turn a simple idea into a complete, fully functional, and published project. Now it's time to move on to the real project creation phase. On the main page of YouWare, click on the Create button. In this section, you can choose the type of project you want to build. For example, in the description box, you can write Build a Video Generator app with VO3. Make sure the AI App Generator option is enabled. After that, just wait a few moments. In only a couple of minutes, your project will be automatically built and ready to use. Precise, clean, and fully functional. Now you're on the VO3 page, and here, you're in full control. You can turn images into videos, or even text into videos, just like what Sora AI does. At this stage, take all the prompts ChatGPT created for you and enter them one by one. Each prompt will generate a unique and original video, built entirely by AI. You can also fine-tune everything: the model, quality, image size, and aspect ratio, so your final output perfectly fits YouTube, TikTok, or even professional ads. And finally, with just a few clicks, you'll have a collection of real, high-quality videos, all created by artificial intelligence. That's when you officially step into the world of smart content creation. Now, as you can see, in this section you'll find projects created by real users, just like VO3, which is currently one of the most popular projects on the YouWare platform. This section is exactly where you can explore the creativity of others and get inspired. Projects that were built with just a few simple AI commands, yet the results are truly amazing. Now let's try it ourselves. In the input field, I enter a simple command. A man is riding a motorcycle in the desert. We wait a few seconds for the AI. Load the 2 to the processing, and now see the result. And this is just a simple example. You can turn any scene, any environment, and any story you have in mind into reality. Great news for all creators. YouWare has just launched its mobile version. So even when you're on the go or away from your computer, you can turn your ideas into reality. With the YouWare mobile app, you can chat with AI, build new projects, and even modify your code or designs instantly, all from your phone. Imagine sitting in a cafe or traveling somewhere, and with just a few simple messages, you're creating a real AI-powered app or a full creative project. The interface is designed to be fast and super easy to use, so you can quickly view, edit, and share your existing projects anytime, anywhere. In fact, YouWare has made sure your creativity is no longer tied to a desktop. Now you literally have a full AI studio right in your pocket. The mobile version will be available to everyone soon, so make sure to follow the link in the video description and be among the first to try it out. Now let's watch the video we made. I've already edited it a bit, so you can see the final result better. Just look at how AI was able to create such a realistic and professional video from a simple command. If you also want to use this amazing technology and achieve a steady income, then you should definitely try the YouWare website. This platform is amazing and helps you create professional AI projects, apps, and even videos with just a few clicks, no coding or technical experience required. I've included the link to the YouWare website in the video description. Just log in, sign up for free, and get started today. Don't forget, the future belongs to those who act early. So log in to YouWare now and turn your creativity into reality. Stay creative, stay inspired, and never stop creating.
Держит ровно, смотри, как тянут.
Хорошие олени. До стоянки дойдем до темноты.
Эй, давай!
Ветер крепчает.
Еще немного и лес.
Тепло стало, да? Пейте, детки. Суп горячий.
Спасибо, мама.
Завтра опять мороз крепкий будет. Дров подкинуть надо.
Делаем.
Harus kilipit rin kurat.
Город.
Sağlı kızar, bir gitu habit.
Cold enough to bite your nose off.
Tea's ready when you are.
After this stack. Won't last the week otherwise.
I'll bring in what we have. Fire's still good.
На неделю хватит?
Если ветер стихнет, хватит. А пока ждем побольше. Руки греешь, Саша?
Теплые уже, хорошо.
Суп скоро будет. Голодные?
Всегда голодный.